tired of doing the same old push-up routines, this right here really works your balance, works your core, keeps that body nice and leveled out. You can superset this pretty nice. If you're not good at push-ups, do not try this. You can mess your shoulder up pretty good, hurt yourself. For better balance, you can actually spread your legs apart. It's better to do it with CrossFit rings. CrossFit rings will really make it a lot easier. So try and get down to the beaner where you're holding, coming up with the beaner, keeping your form nice and tight.
2.